Here we have a Turnpro 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. It also cuts vertically. It's 230 volt, 220 volt, 1 horsepower. We have it powered up so you can watch it run. Then we'll hit the switch here. We'll check the coolant pump. The coolant pump operates fine. This is a hydraulic down feed. You flip this up, you just set the setting here. You can turn it off. It has a 3-speed gearbox. You can flip speeds on the fly. There's second speed, first speed, and then third speed. Runs very nicely. Anyway, we're going to finish letting the head go down here, and as it goes down, it shuts the switch off. It also includes 4 casters, 2 axles, material stop. There's your vertical cutting plate and your instruction manual.